The Graco Extend2Fit Convertible car seat is designed to grow with your child by supporting rear-facing and forward-facing harness modes. However, it's important to note that this model does not convert into a booster seat. Once your child outgrows the harness limits of the Extend2Fit, the next step is typically transitioning to a dedicated belt positioning booster seat. Understanding the correct transition process ensures your child remains properly secured and meets recommended safety guidelines. Try these. Step 1. Check the height and weight limits listed on the Extend2Fit to confirm your child has outgrown the harness stage. Step 2. Remove the car seat from the vehicle and loosen the harness straps completely. Step 3. Detach or store the harness components and infant inserts according to the manufacturer's instructions. Step 4. Select a proper booster seat that fits your child's size and vehicle seatbelt system. Step 5. Install the booster seat in the vehicle and secure your child using the vehicle's seatbelt for proper positioning.